Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the first video here about this topic about like crypto and this videos or this sort of videos I want to talk about general situation, how it look like. I'm gonna start with this video with like a short analysis about Bitcoin, what's happened in the last 24 hours and in which way I basically was expecting this. So first we can see the chart. I have my trading view updated here. Let's talking about basically this time frame. As you can see here, we pumped a lot from basically 62 dip here up to 66. We're moving right now a bit too. And now I'm going to tell you how I was able to kind of expect it. I mean, you never know, but I follow a bunch of guys on Twitter, and I'm going to start with this guy. He's a trader. He knows some stuff. It's not always right, but I was watching this yesterday when he was longing. Like here, 12th of October, this was 2 days ago, he was calling for 62 for entry. And as you can see here, he entered yesterday. I saw it live, so I was like, yeah, he did what said. And then 64, he was targeting for 64.5. So it was like, this guy is bullish, and it's exactly what happened. I mean, you can see it here. He was first targeting for that number, and as you can see on his account, he is still in that long. And I mean, this guy is sometimes right. He's more like a trader, so it's more short term. If he's expecting something in 1 or 2 days, maybe it's already too long. Like here is calling for a dip. I mean, we're not dipping right now yet, so I don't know if this is gonna happen, but it's good to know. And gonna continue with this guy first. He's also like more general guy analysis. I want to analyze this post. He says anything basically. That was when we are at 63, like I think belong here. He was basically saying expecting a price as a resistance right now, but it's looking good that we can break through it. And then he said he was going to sleep, and once 63.3 breaks, we're on to 65. That's when he woke up, and shortly after, we basically did exactly what he said. We broke 63.3 basically here, and went straight to 65 here. And here we already broke it. And so this guy is also good. It's what he predicted. I've been following him for a while, so it's not like I'm just looking for the people who say it right. I'm also analyzing other people, and I'm gonna show you right now what's happening, like what this guy is saying. Chris Credible guy, he's like a pretty big account. I mean, he did some predictions right. I think last month in the end of August, he predicted 53 for September. That's exactly what happened. We went to 52.8, and then we went up again. But what he's predicting right now, I don't know. Like here, when we were at 62, he was basically saying we're going down. I saw this, but as you can see, it's good 400k views. It's good engagement, but I was not basically. I think at this point in time we are already half of October. Q4 is one of the most bullish quarters for crypto, for Bitcoin. That's why I think it's already too late now. I mean, for 57, this could have been realistic. I was not saying it can't happen, but I think he called for 50k or lower before, so I think that's unlikely. Like this one, Bitcoin. I mean, the thing is, we are still at this point. We're still at this point where he's saying we're gonna return from there, but he's basically calling for 50, 45. So, yeah, let's see what's happened. I'm having this in my back of head. So what I'm basically doing is I'm following a bunch of people, so many, and I'm just looking and believing those ones that have the most, like that call the best stuff and have the best arguments the most. This guy is not talking complete bullshit. There are guys who just talk like crap, but this guy has some good arguments, but I just disagree with this case. there are strong arguments against this, that we are really bullish right now and that we are really gonna break all-time highs pretty soon in next month, at least. And then I also followed this guy, Astronomer. So he was basically at this point 63. He was calling for 64, but if you can check here, local highs in the 64k next. That's what when we were at 63, he was calling for 64. And he has also a bunch of arguments here. He's saying ultimate target is still 60k for these longs. And that's exactly what happened. He brought it on 2 days ago, exactly on Saturday, when we were at 63. Now we went up. And yeah, even on Friday, he was basically like talking about it. Here, when we were at 61, 60, this was like Friday, yeah. So Friday we were at 61 and he was saying we will go up slowly, 62, and then he's always making update there. Probably see it going higher. Here 63 was going for 64. And here see also still 64, so it was like 1 day. And then yeah, we have reached 64 and then he was actually talking about taking some profit and hoping for 66k next. Is exactly what happened. And these are only a few guys I follow. This video is just a test, basically to make some recap. But the next videos I'm probably gonna try to predict. I mean, no one can predict the future, but I will have a bunch of collection of good accounts, and we'll try to tell you what I think what's gonna happen next, what could happen, and at what point we are right now with Bitcoin, with the cycle. Let me know what you think about this video. I hope you understand me. Any feedback, and have a great day.